Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Play Store settings. In this video, I will show you how to turn on parental control in your Play Store. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this profile icon. Now you are here. Scroll down right here, proceed to settings. Go ahead and click on family, parental control, and parents guide. Go ahead and click on parental controls. Now you are here. What you need to do is to go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Then you'll be asked to enter password. Enter your password and hit on OK. Confirm your password and hit on OK. And the parental control is going to be on in your Google Play Store. Then you can go ahead and set up apps and games and books for your kids on their Android device. Go ahead and select apps and games. So this will allow you the type of apps and games they can use on their Android devices. So if you want the app they can use to be starting from age 3 to 12, just uncheck some of the ones you don't want them to use. Parental control assist purchase or download from Play Store app and game already installed will still be feasible. Click on got it. Then uncheck this. So you can uncheck as many as possible for them. So this will allow them to be able to use some of the app. So once you select the one they can use, go ahead and hit on save. It's that simple. Go ahead and click on book right here. So you can restrict some of the books that contain this, something like this. So for that, go ahead and click on here to check this box. Then book parental control access to YouTube content. Go ahead and click on got it and hit on save. Then you are done. It's that simple. So this is a complete setup of parental control in your Google Play Store. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Play Store on Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.